In the Elbesee Roller Floor Frame, you will have tape arms, legs, a bottom rail, feet, posi locks, H-sections, standard wheels, plugs, bolts, wing nuts, plain washers, spring washers, elastomer washers and deep splines and side arms. Firstly, take a foot and place the H-section the opposite side to the black buffers so that the ridges run parallel to the edge of the foot. You can place this over either one of the two holes, but we suggest you do it in the back hole for better stability. Through the hole in the H-section, thread the bolt in the leg, then hold in place with a washer and a wing nut and tighten. Now push the bottom rail through the large hole at the base. Then screw on the standard wheel. You can now fill in the unused hole in each foot with a plug. Now put a bolt through the hole at the top of the leg, going from the outside inwards of the stand. Then attach a posi lock onto the opposite side, making sure that the lugs click into place in the small holes. Now you can set up the frame. To do this, place an elastomer washer on the end of each tape arm. Now you can assemble by threading the side arms into the bolts. You can use any of the 6 holes depending on the size of your canvas. Make sure that when you do this, the tape is facing upwards and that the overhang is going towards the middle of the frame. Then to fix, place on a plain washer and then screw on a wing nut. Now you can attach the frame onto the stand. Firstly, put the deep spline onto the bolt at the top of the leg. Then insert the bolts through the frame. You can use any of the holes on the frame, but we suggest using a central hole for better stability. Once you've done this, place on a plain washer, followed by a spring washer, a plain washer, and finally a wing nut. Then measure the halfway point at both the top and bottom edge of your frame and mark it. Now do the same with your canvas. After you've done this, you will place your canvas onto the frame. Make sure that it's in the correct orientation, facing you and the right way up. Then to attach to the frame, do a running stitch going across. Your canvas will probably be slack at this point, but to tighten, just rotate the tape arms. Once you've rotated the tape arms, just tighten the wing nuts on the end.